रणवीर, एक सवाल आपसे है कि जैसे कि विधु विनोद चोपड़ा सर ने बताया, राजू हिरानी ने, और सब इंडस्ट्री के लोग काफ़ी अरसे से सर को जानते हैं, संजय सर को जानते हैं, लेकिन कहीं मैंने पढ़ा था कि आपने एक बयान दिया है कि ये फिल्म करते वक्त मुझे जो कुछ संजय दत्त के बारे में पता चला वो मुझे भी नहीं पता था। तो कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे इस फिल्म में आप संजय दत्त बने हैं जो आने वाली बायोपिक है?
वेल, शेयर तो नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि विधु सर मुझे मार देंगे बट जी, मैं संजू सर को बचपन से जानता हूँ, लेकिन जब हमने बायोपिक पर काम करना शुरू किया तो मुझे हमेशा लगा कि ये एक्चुअली बायोपिक नहीं हो सकती, ये एक्चुअली एक साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म है, क्योंकि ऐसी लाइफ एक इंसान को जीना, मतलब आप मेरे समझ में ही नहीं आया कि ऐसी लाइफ कौन जी सकता है। मुझे एक्चुअली अभी कल की बात है जब संजू सर ने मैसेज किया कि ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे आ जाओ, तो सडनली मुझे एहसास हुआ, अरे यार ये तो मेरा ट्रेलर लॉन्च हो रहा है। फिर पीछे से एक दूसरे रणबीर ने मुझे टपली दिया और कहा कि तुम कभी संजय दत्त बन नहीं सकते, ज़रा इतना खुद को मत, संजू सर का ट्रेलर लॉन्च है, दैट यू हैव टू गो एंड अटेंड। तो मैंने एक साल इनको एमुलेट करने की कोशिश की, प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि ठीक ठाक किया, क्योंकि इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन, नॉट जस्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री बट इन द कंट्री, समथिंग दैट वी ऑल कैन लर्न फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ, वी कैन टेक सो मच फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ। बट हाँ, जब मैं कभी सोचता हूँ बायोपिक के बारे में, इनकी लाइफ के बारे में, यही मेरे सोच में आता है कि ये साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म है, ये एक ड्रामेटिक या रोमांटिक फिल्म नहीं है।
हेलो संजय सर, भावना here from Pink Villa. Sir, आज first of all the trailer is really good and we are really looking forward to seeing it. But it is also Trishala's birthday today, and since the film is about father and daughter's relationship, was this an intentional decision to launch the trailer today?
Yeah, I think it was. I mean, it was an important day for her, and we all miss her, and we all wish she was here. But it is a birthday, and I think this was the best day for this trailer to be launched.
So,
विधु जी मुझे मार डालेंगे। वो फिल्म तो आने दीजिए ना, आज तो भूमि की बात करते हैं, बिकॉज वो उसका वक्त आएगा जब हम बहुत बातें करेंगे उसकी। ऑल आई कैन से it's an amazing life, and what is most amazing is that Sanju has been brave enough to spell it out honestly to us, and he's not scared to portray a life, a very positive life, or so he's opened up the cards and he said आपको जो बोलना है बोलो, मेरी जिंदगी ऐसी थी. So I would say he's a very brave man. Biopics can be very one-sided, but this is a biopic which is from all perspectives and it's a very open biopic.
Sanju sir?
Sanju, don't you think you are too young to be Aditi's father?
Wow. Of course I'm young to be a father, but I'm just playing a character. You forget that?
संजू सर, सर सेंटर में सर आपसे एक सवाल जानना चाहूँगा। जैसे सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि हर एक सक्सेसफुल मर्द के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है, और जो भी आपके लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए हैं, मान्यता जी ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उन चीज़ों को फेस किया, और ये जो पूरी जर्नी रही आपके लाइफ की, या फिर ये जो आपके कमबैक आप बोल सकते हो, तो इस बीच में उनका क्या रोल रहा या उनका क्या किरदार रहा, और इस फिल्म में जब आप कर रहे थे तो क्या उनसे कुछ एडवाइस लिया था या समथिंग कुछ इस तरह से?
आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा है कि मान्यता जी ने हर पल हर लम्हा मेरा साथ दिया है और हमेशा देंगी, और एक दो ऐसी चीज़ें मुझे दी हैं जहाँ जो कोई दे नहीं सकता, इकरा और शाहरान। और इनसे बिल्कुल एक चीज़ सीखने में मिली है, वो गुस्सा, तो वो मैंने पोर्ट्रे किया है भूमि में, शरद के ऊपर वो भी।
Sanju sir, this is your first film after your release. Has your time, away changed your working style in any manner?
I didn't get that. What was that?
So this is your first film after your release. So has your time away from the screen, the time you spent in jail, has it changed your working style in any manner?
I think my working style is the same. I mean, I don't hear a script. I don't watch the monitor. I don't look at the lighting. I don't look at the other artist, what he does. So I mean, there's nothing changed. It's the same.
Sanjay sir, also in this film, there's this theme of Save the Daughter, which has echoes of perhaps Beti Bachao. Do you think so? The government slogan, Beti Bachao.
Yeah, what about that?
So the film's theme is also Save the Daughter. And you know, this is a topic that everybody is talking about today.
I mean, you can say it says Save the Daughter, but it's more a film about a relationship between a father and a daughter. You know, and definitely I believe in Save the Daughter also.
Sanjay, when you heard the first time that the biopic will be made, were you a bit skeptical? Were you a bit worried or nervous? And also there were some reports that Ranbir was trying to meet him and meet you to do his research, but it was difficult to get in touch. Ranbir,
It'll
did you
take
face-
Ranbir 50 years to do research on me first. So I mean, you know, he's been a very, very special part of my life. Not because of the biopic, but just because of him growing up and it's his family's relation with my family and stuff like that. And if I was, scared?
Were you a bit skeptical at what will be shown in the biopic? How it
I
will
was
be?
not skeptical at all because Raju, me and Abhijat sat for many, many hours and I laid the cards right out in front of them. I've got nothing to hide. And I have never had nothing to hide. So, that is
ओके संजू सर, एक फिल्म की पूरी जबान होती है डायलॉग राइटिंग, तो राज शांडिल जी के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जिन्होंने इस फिल्म का स्क्रीन प्ले और डायलॉग्स लिखे हैं? किस तरीके का एक्सपीरियंस रहा और क्या बॉन्डिंग शेयर करते हैं आप?
एक्चुअली राज कॉमेडी सीरियल्स लिखता था और यू नो जब उसने ये पिक्चर लिखी आई वाज अमेज्ड एंड आई वाज शॉक्ड कि इतना टैलेंट इस लड़के में है. लेकिन कभी कभी बहक जाता है, लेकिन अभी क्या करें यार, वो होता है.
Sanjay sir, just near towards your left, so here. Sanjay sir, there were reports that apparently Ranbir and Anurag Basu had approached you for Jagga Jasoos and the role was eventually played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui. How true were these?
I think Ranbir should answer this.
I think every role that's written in the Hindi film industry first goes to him only. It passes through him, then it filters down. Of course, you know, it was my first production, and it was a special appearance, and we wanted to carry it in the second part. And Basu Dada and myself thought there was nobody better than Sanju sir, but Sanju sir very gladly on the first time he heard it, he said, "Yeah, I'll do it." But there was some issue with the release of his first film and other stuff. But not this, maybe the next one.
Of course, anything for you.
Sanjay sir, have you seen the movie though? I mean, Jagga Jasoos?
I beg your pardon?
Have you
I
seen the
haven't
film?
seen it yet. I haven't seen it. But I mean, I know it's a good. I saw the trailer. I loved it. But I'm going to see the film, and if I feel something is wrong, he knows what he's going to get.
Baba, here towards your left.
I hope nothing is shown, but that depends on Raju here.
Baba, it's good to have you back. The trailer looks amazing. Towards your left here. Left. Here. Baba, it's good to have you back. The trailer is good. But do you think if you had come back with the Munna Bhai series, the comeback would have been perhaps, a bigger comeback for you? Like, everyone is waiting for that movie. And do you think that comeback would have been a bigger one?
I think instead of asking me, there's my brothers out here and my another brother out there and the third brother sitting behind you.
ऐसा करिए, मुड़ के वो पीछे वो जो बैठा है ना चुप से लड़का, उसको ये सवाल पूछिए. वो अभी भी लिख रहा है. 3 साल से अभी हम लिख रहे हैं. हमको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. तो ये बैठा बैठा बोर हो रहा था. अभी कितना उसको 1-1.5 साल और बिठाते. हमने बोला भैया हम लिख रहे हैं. जब पूछता है हो रहा है सर, हाँ हो रहा है सर. डायलॉग लिख रहे हैं, हाँ लिख रहे हैं. वो खामोश मैंने फिल्म बनाई थी, उसमें डायलॉग राइटर को हमेशा पूछता था क्या हो रहा है जी. कहता लिख रहा हूँ सर, लिख रहा हूँ. वो है पीछे बैठा हुआ. उसको पूछो, जिस दिन लिखेगा उस दिन नेक्स्ट डे शुरू हो जाएगी.
ओके, मेरा सवाल अदिति से है. अदिति, ट्रेलर इज लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक. और अब अगर हम ट्रेलर को देखें तो बहुत इमोशन इंटेंस किरदार में नजर आ रही हैं आप. संजय जैसी शख्सियत के साथ इतने दिग्गज कलाकार हैं, उनके साथ काम करना कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा आपके लिए? पहला सवाल. दूसरा सवाल, कहीं इस बात का डर था, संजय सर की वापसी थी, उनकी कमबैक फिल्म थी, कहीं ओवरशैडो ना हो जाए, इस बात का भी डर था?
I think हम सब we all live for challenges. I think that makes us better, and that always makes us work harder. And I think everybody who is an artist and wants to perform and wants to is there for that reason and loves cinema
wants to be challenged and wants to be pushed. And I always feel a great actor in front of you makes you look better. And usually in a good film and with amazing actors, they tend to be very generous people as well. तो वो आपका काम और अच्छा actually वो आपका काम
आसान कर देते
आसान कर देते हैं. They make it more beautiful. वो निखारते हैं आपको. And I think Sanju sir was also the same. The first day I think I was a little nervous, and I'm usually not nervous, but I was a little nervous because I didn't know Sanju sir at all. But he gave me a big hug and he said, "You're scared of me? You're scared of me?" So that immediately sort of broke the ice, and it was, I think when the first shot was okay, like Sanju sir said, it was because it was our scene together. And the first shot was okay and we both breathed. Then I saw him doing the same and I was like, oh, okay, we're fine. So it was, I think that's what it is. It's an amazing actor makes you better. And a lot of the times I was bouncing off what he was doing. He was acting and I was reacting to him. So and every time he would do something different. So it's always fun. It keeps you on your toes and it makes it very natural. Sanju sir also doesn't like to rehearse. So that's great fun.
Hi, Ranbir, towards your left. Ranbir, hi, this is Priyanka from Indian Express. Ranbir, even though you're not answerable for what your father says about your films or about people involved in your films, but objectively speaking, do you think that blaming the producer or blaming the director or music composer is right, is fair after a film flops?
Well, you see, my father is a very emotional man. I think whatever he said was to protect me in some way in his, where he was coming from. I don't necessarily agree with, that he did that or what he said. Like I said, Jagga Jasoos is something that we worked for 3.5 years. We all were aware of what we were doing, how it was being made. Sometimes you succeed, sometimes you fail. But I don't look at it as a failure, I look at it as a learning. I think it's given me a lot. The experience of working with Anurag Basu again and everybody involved in the project. So yeah, I can't answer for somebody else, but I don't necessarily agree with everything that he said.
Right. Also, I wanted to know that after the failure of Jagga Jasoos we'll see you in that biopic. Is it a relief to work with a director like let me ask?
I think we
to
should
come
not.
with a director like Rajkumar Hirani, who's hit proof. Who's flop proof, sorry. Or is it a pressure to actually be in the biopic after a flop?
Well, it's a mix of both. Pressure I hope that I don't break the jinx. No, but to be honest, Mr. Rajkumar Hirani, not because of his, the ratio of hits that he has. He's one of the finest filmmakers, the finest storytellers in the country. And because I've had the now opportunity to work with him, he works really hard on his scripts. He works really hard, very passionately. And there is no substitute to that. Having said that, there is no formula to success. Anurag Basu and me worked on a film called Barfi before Jagga Jasoos, which was quite successful. So ऐसा नहीं है कि if you work with this person, then you're guaranteed success. If you work with this person, पता नहीं क्या होगा. Films is something which nobody has cracked the formula to. But I'm just happy that I'm working with such amazing people. And I can do such amazing parts.
Just for record, I want to tell you that I came back from US and I went and I saw Jagga Jasoos on a big screen. I spent 3.5 hours watching that film. And I think there are some moments at that film that are absolutely excellent. I want to put it on record.
Completely agree.
And also I want to clarify to you, he's not flop-proof. Nobody's flop-proof. We are not flop-proof. It's an absurd thing to say everybody's striving. Sometimes when you strive, it kind of falls into place. Sometimes you strive and it doesn't fall into place. And it's okay. Both ways it's okay, as long as you strive. And I've seen the kind of striving in Jagga Jasoos, and I am here, I'll tell you why I'm here. Because I saw Mary Com. Sanjay Bhansali's worked with me for many years. I called and I said, damn good film. And he said, sir, aapne to meri kisi film ko nahi bola hai. This guy had directed that film. That's why I'm here. When Sanju came to me, I said, who's directing? You said, this guy. I said, you must do this. So we are all striving, sweetheart. We may fail, we may succeed. Please don't judge us by that. Judge us by what Jagga Jasoos is excellent. I want to say that here. Sorry, it's a Bhumi day, but I just have to tell you this. Like this trailer is excellent, Jagga Jasoos is
Last two questions. Please,
Sanju
let's
Dada.
stick to questions regarding Bhumi. Please.
Yeah, please. Yeah, I was going to say.
Sanju Dada Dipali here from TV9
और
Marathi.
इन लोगों ने इतनी बात की है बायोपिक की, इन दोनों को तो मैं बाद में देख लूंगा. बहुत हो गया.
Sanju Dada Dipali here from TV9 Marathi.
Sanju Dada here. Sanju Dada towards your left. हाय दीपाली here from TV9 मराठी. जसं रणवीरचे ट्रेनिंग आणि त्याचे लुक्स पाहिले आपण तुमच्या बायोपिकसाठी, तर तुम्ही स्वतःला रणबीरच्या ह्याच्यात बघू शकताय का? तुम्ही स्वतः ॲज अ संजय दत्त म्हणून रणबीरने तेवढा न्याय दिला आहे तुमच्या कॅरेक्टरला, असं वाटतंय का तुम्हाला?
I don't know how to say it in Marathi, but I don't think this is a question that deals with Bhumi. Is it I think it's dealing with Bhumi? So let's stick to Bhumi. Can you ask me ask him something about Bhumi, please?
We understood
I understand
that.
Marathi very well. So this, उद्या सकाळला 9:15 वाजता shooting चालू आहे. Okay.
I have a question for Umang sir.
Last question.
Yeah.
Hi,
Umang sir.
hi.
Umang sir?
towards
Oh,
your
really? Oh.
I have a question for Umang sir.
Yeah.
I want to ask you, how was your whole experience directing Sanjay sir and Bhumi, and what do you think of their performance in the movie?
See, generally, I like to play with an actor in such a way that I want to take out stuff from an actor which was never seen before in any other film. Be it Mary Com, be it Sarabjit, and Bhumi also is the same. But yes, I was nervous. I'm telling you, I was nervous to direct Sanjay Dutt. And because he has an aura, okay, I had to break that aura and look at him as an actor. But the moment he comes on screen, you forget everything. Yeah, that's what he used to do. He used to say, and he used to make Aditi laugh completely, and I could hear on the headphones, what is happening? It's a serious scene. And so she used to giggle. That's the way Sanjay Dutt ji is. It's like he will break the ice and he'll make you most comfortable. And it was like, for me, a dream come true to direct. I didn't even think ever in my life I would be directing him. And thank you, sir. But really, the emotions on the scene, while editing also, we went through everything again. We feel the emotions again. Like, my God, abhi wahan aansu tapkega. And it's so precise. He never rehearses. I don't want to rehearse, he's saying. I'll do it. Chal, ready. You know, dialogues, ho jayenge. And he remembers every dialogue possible. 5 page ke dialogues, I don't know how you remember. It's fabulous. We were all nervous. 5 camera setup hai, like, you know, kare nahi karenge. He's flowing properly. That's what he is. And Aditi just matched completely. The emotional scenes are to die for. And hopefully this film will touch your souls the way it's touched ours.
Sir,
Last
towards
question.
your left. Hi, Ankita from Republic. First of all, the trailer is really awesome and congratulations. We are very excited for the film. We are approaching towards our Independence Day. So if you could give some wishes, you, Aditi and Ranbir, for that. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day to everybody.
Happy Independence.
Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. Be truly independent, actually.
Thank you, everybody.
Archana,
There is.
Archana. 1 second. Archana, you want to say something?
Yeah, actually, I have a little moment, but is this the last question?
No, that's all, I think. Thank you very much, everyone, for asking. Thank you.
Okay, there is a little surprise that I've been waiting for. I don't think I'm equipped to do this. We only thank Manita to be the force in Sanjay's life. But there's a little message I'd like you to read out because it comes from a family member. आप बोल देंगी यहाँ पे. Okay, so.
She forwarded it to me and she wanted me to read. We can't read that letter. So why don't you read Bhabhi that? Please. Baba ne bol diya let her be. So there's a letter which.
Okay, I have it right here with me. We got a little print out of it as well. My dearest Papa Dukes.
This is you just want to say what
You
this
want to
is?
explain? Yeah,
One
this
second.
is
There's a
Trishal.
voice note which is on her mobile.
Okay, so this has been sent from New York. Trishala is in New York.
1 second. There's a voice note which she has.
Oh.
Yeah. So there's a letter which Trishala wrote on her birthday to her father, Baba, and she sent a voice message on that. So we'll just play that for you all.
My dearest Papa Dukes, it feels so nice to know that you've chosen to launch the trailer of Bhumi on my birthday as a surprise. It gives me so much joy to know that you've chosen a film based on a father-daughter relationship as your comeback film as well. I'm really, really proud of you, Dad. You're stronger than you know, and I'm really blessed to be a part of you. I'll love you forever. Trishala.
So sweet. Thank you so much.
Why does she call you Dukes? I think it's the moment to call the Dutt Parivar. Thank you for taking care of humanity, of art, and of many things that are important to this country.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Please come up on stage. Please come up on stage. Owen, Priya, please. And Manita, please.
You don't have to speak. Come on stage. Priya Didi, please come on stage. Owen.
You're an important part of
Owen sir.
the entire journey. Come, please.
Anand sir, please. आइए sir.